See how it opens up? Okay, here's some tools I've been using. So your drill is the main tool you need, and a drill bit, and I had a pair of pliers, but because I had to get the old these anchors, get some anchors. These old anchors, getting the old anchors out was the main pain, because you had to get the anchors off these screws, and this little metal piece goes in here, right in here, right in that metal part. It goes in there, and I have this tool right in there, and that tightens and loosens this. There's a little thing in that hole that pops out, and it holds this in place. So, and this part, this is the screws that go into the wall. I pre-drilled holes beside the old holes, little smaller holes, and I put the anchors inside there, and then these screws will go into there, and then this part will screw. It'll be where there's a little metal piece around here somewhere. I gotta clean these floors and redoing my floors. Will screw into here. So this will go into here, and then it'll, just like on this side right here. And you get some nail polish, or that's paint. But anyway, so I've been drilling this in here, little by little. And hopefully I have it on there right, because the bottom part's a little bigger than the top part, but we'll see. So that, I've been tightening this up here, which is the back metal part, and I will show you. I'm going to loosen it, and I'm going to show you. That on there, I'll show you another time. I'll show you on the other one. Once you get that on there, then it's time for this fun thing right here. So we're just going to slide that over, and now it's time for the funness. The funness is right there, goes into there. So you see how it screws right on. That screw inside there screws into there. So I'm gonna put that, I'm gonna screw that on. Alright, this one I already took out in here, so you can see it attached. That's the back side of that bolt screw that's inside there. It's just for looks. And and then that part where you put the Allen wrench, it screws that little metal piece inward, which it'll poke out and hold this into place. So let's I'm got a tripod for this camera, but whatever. I'll try to make it work. So just bear with me here. Shakiness. Oh, wall. Okay, it's on the wall, so we're just gonna flip this up. There we go, and now just use Allen wrench and tighten that down. Alright, I had a little bit of pain getting this, you gotta get that tightened on there first, and I just had a pain with that. Put this part, the rod, this little rod, this rod, and this rod, and this whole circle piece, have them all together before you put it on here over top of that metal piece with the screws in it, and then tighten it down and tighten this down up here. Do that last. Have it all. So I'm going to put You ever see how one of these works?